What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. Hope everyone's doing well. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button. That way you don't miss any of the videos. So for today, I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing. But real quick, I want to give a shout out to Fred from Glovebox. Thank you very much. And it was great talking to you and be willing to answer any questions that I may have had. So I really do appreciate it. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing started right after this. All right, let's go ahead and see what we got here. All right, not too sure what this is, but we'll open that in a little bit. Okay, cool. Cool. We got the Adams iron remover. Haven't tried this yet, so we'll give this a try. We got the strip wash. Awesome. Gonna need that because I'm gonna be polishing my truck soon. Really need to do that. So this is gonna come in handy. Then we got Detail Supply Ceramic Quick Coat. So a product that I have not tried yet. This is very cool. And then we got a microfiber towel. Man, this feels good. Man, that feels really, really nice. And of course, the sprays to it. Sprayers and nozzle. We got that's from the Glovebox Detail. I've seen their when I went to the website, I saw their t-shirts, so pretty cool. Awesome. All right, let me go ahead and check to see what this is real quick. So they give you a little card that tells you some information about the products that they give you. I've been told about Glovebox a long time ago and never really got into it. I don't know why. I think it's really awesome. I personally will be subscribing to this probably next month, and looking forward to being able to try just different products that you can't necessarily find at big box stores and stuff like that. I'll continue to do videos on those products as well, but for the Glovebox thing, I think that's cool. I think that's a cool route, and because again, these are products that I would not have tried, or microfiber towels that you just get to try different products, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what this is. Let's open up this. Oh, very cool. Wow. Okay. Detail brushes. Look at that. And you can actually, they come with different attachments. Wow, that's pretty cool. So you got different attachments that come with this product. Man, I could have done an unboxing on this alone. But maybe I'll go ahead and do that. Let me know if you want me to do an unboxing with this, or just, or not. I think I will. I think I'll save it for that. But man, that's so cool. Very, very cool. I'm super stoked and glad that Fred reached out to me and to let me try these products and to get to know what Glovebox is all about. So awesome, man. Thank you again. I really do appreciate it. So Glovebox is a subscription-based box, and you'll be getting different chemicals once a month, which is pretty cool. I think that's awesome, especially for a person like me who likes to experiment with different products, and maybe you're the same way. I think it's a great deal. The retail value of this is $80. So for the price of the subscription, man, it's a great deal. I should have done this a long time ago, and I'm starting my subscription soon. So I think it's a great deal. So thanks to the guys at Glovebox, I have a 20% off your first box with subscription. So make sure to use that. It's AUTOFUSION, but I'll leave it in the description below. All right, guys, if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button. If you appreciate this type of content, feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.